Yes, good morning, beta. Let's continue with the revision of lines and angle that we were doing yesterday. And now let's start with the question. The difference of the measurement of the two complementary angle is 12. Two complementary angles have the difference of 12 between them. Let the angle be x, and its complementary angle is 90 minus x. Okay. They are saying that two angles are there, they are complementary. Let the one angle be x, then the other angle is 90 minus x. Now the difference of these two complementary angles, is 12. Is it okay? One way is this, and we have one more way to solve this. What you will do, let one angle be x and other angle is x plus 12. आपको कहता है दोनों का डिफरेंस 12 है, दोनों का डिफरेंस करके देखो, दिस इज ग्रेटर देन दिस एंगल. अगर आप इन दोनों में से इसको माइनस करते हो, बड़े वाले में से छोटे वाले को, आंसर इज 12. दोनों का डिफरेंस क्या आ रहा है? 12. इसका मतलब यू कैन सपोज द एंगल्स लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. नाउ टू एंगल्स वी हैव सपोज and the sum of two complementary angles we know that is 90. So the sum of these two angles is 90. तो आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. Is it okay? I don't remember that which method we have followed earlier. I think this method. Arshia, is it so, beta? Have we done this question with this method or this method? Yes, Drishti. Your voice is not clear, beta. One angle is x, another angle is x plus 12, and their sum is 90. So what you will do? 2x plus 12 is equal to 90. 2x is equal to 78. X is equal to 30. Second? Okay. So one angle is your x, that is 39, and the another angle is x plus 12, that is 39 plus 12 as 51. So the sum of these two angles is 90. Okay. Now write down the same question. Write down two supplementary angles. Among the two supplementary angles, the measure of the larger angle is 44 more than the smaller. The measure of the larger angle is 44 more than the smaller. The measurement of the larger angle is 44 more than the smaller. Two angles are there and one angle is 44 more than the other. What you will do? Supplementary angles hai. They were complementary, but the question we are talking about, they are supplementary angles. So let the angle be x. Other angle is 44 more than. So add 44, and what you will do? The sum of these two angles must be 180 because they are supplementary. Okay. Now get the value of x. Hurry up. Get the value of x and x plus 44. They will give you two angles, and those two angles must be supplementary. Yes, beta. 136. And the other angle is? It's not correct, beta. 2x is equal to 180 minus 44, that is 136. X is equal to 136 upon 2, that will give you, eh, 68. And another angle is x plus 44. So 68 plus 44 will give you 112. So we have got two angles and they are supplementary, and the difference of these two angles is 44. This angle is 44 greater than the 68 degree. Is it okay? Now write one more question. Write down. Find find the angle which is equal to its complement. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Means if you have taken one angle as x, then its complement is 90 minus x, and both will be equal. X is equal to 90 minus x. One angle is x and its complement is 90 minus x. Both are equal. Find the angle, hurry up. Done. Yes, answer is 45. Let the angle be x. Complementary angle is 90 minus x, and according to question, this angle x is equal to its complement. So x is equal to 90 minus x. X plus x is equal to 90. 2x is equal to 90. X is equal to 45. Check your answer. Yes, everyone. This is the method and you should have solved in this manner. Hurry up. Start the next. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Yes, it's 90. The method is exactly same. Let the angle be x. Its supplement is 180 minus x. Then what you will do? Answer is 90. Check your method. It should be written like this. R angle 1 and 2 adjacent. Hurry up. R angle 1 and 2 adjacent. angles 1 and 2 adjacent. Done? Yes, Arshia. And what's the definition of adjacent angle, beta? The non-common arms should lie on the either side of the common arm. This non-common arms should lie on the either side of the common arm. This is the common arm. Actually, this angle is touching this. This angle is touching. So, this is the common arm. And non-common arm are on the either side of the common arm. Are angle 1 and 2 adjacent? Yes, Akshita. Very happy for you, beta. You are trying. Yes. Why, beta? Why? Yes, yes. Very good. Very good, beta. You have tried. Next is, this is angle 1. This is angle 2. Yes, I want response from the student who has not answered yet. Are 1 and 2 adjacent? Lakshya, you have got the chance. Anyone else? Any new face? Okay, yes, Guneet will answer. Yes, Guneet. Yes, Khushi, very good. You have raised your hand. Yes, Guneet. Yes, Guneet, beta bolo. They are adjacent. No, beta, they are not adjacent. Angle 1 and 2 are not adjacent. 1 is inside 2. मैंने आपको बताया था adjacent angle are the angle where the first angle is finishing, the second angle should start from there. But 1 is inside angle 2, so they are not adjacent because they are non-common arm. ये जो ये mute yourself, so much disturbance from your side. This is the common arm that is lying on the one side, but the common arm should lie in the middle and non-common arm should lie on the either side. But here the things are different. This is the common arm that is lie on the one side. So this is the common arm and non-common arm should lie on the either side, but they are lying on the one side. So they are not adjacent. Are 1 and 2 adjacent? Yes, Khushi will answer. Yes, Khushi. Why, beta? Tell me reason. Yes, yes. And what you will write as a definition, they have a common vertex and the non-common arm are lying on the either side of the common arm. Non-common arm are lying on the either side of the, this is the common arm. And these are non-common arm that are lying on the either side of the common arm. Yes. From the following, write the pair of adjacent angles. Hurry up. Write the pair of adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Number 2, linear pair. Yes, Jalash has not answered. Now he will answer. He will get the chance. Yes, Jalash. Beta, can you speak little bit louder? Yes, yes. BOC COD. Yes. Yes, anyone? Yes, any new student who can answer me? AOB BOC. Yes. AOB BOC. And one more pair is there. Can you answer that also? Two more pairs are there. आपने AOB बोला BOC. हाँ जी. Yes, yes. Very good. One more pair is there. AOB. Yes. AOB DOB एक ही बात है. ठीक है. Yes, very good. Very happy बेटा. Thank you. Yes. Who will answer me this linear pair? New student, they all are same. I want to see the new faces. Roll number 51, roll number 15. Hardik, Vaibhav, Tanya, Satvik, Sanya, Samriddhi. Okay, Naman, very good. Naman, yes. Wait, yes. BOC, only BOC you are saying. पेयर में बेटा दो एंगल्स होने चाहिए जिनका सम 180 आए, जो स्ट्रेट लाइन बनाए, ऐसे एंगल बताने हैं. Try it beta, no problem if it be wrong, no problem at all. Can you try again? Yes, Naman. AOB, BOD. This angle and this angle. They are making 180 degree because they are forming straight line. So linear pair is the angle that is supplementary, or you can say that they are forming straight line. Akshita, can you tell me the next pair? Can you tell me the next pair which is forming 180 degree? Yes. Yes, Hari. हाँ जी. BOC COA. Yes, very good. AOC COD. यहां से भी बोल सकते हैं, इस साइड से भी बोल सकते हैं. AOC means ये एंगल. BOD COD means ये एंगल, and they are forming complete. आपने बेटा पार्ट्स में बताना है जिससे ये पूरा सेमी सर्कल बने. That will make you 180. ठीक है. Yes, lower down your hand if you just want to give me the answer. Lower down your hand. Angle 3 is given as 45 degree. Find the other angles. Hurry up. Angle 3 is 45. Find the other angles. आशिमा, हेमंत, गर्वित, हाँ जी बेटा. If angle 3 is 45, then can you find any other angle from this? ये क्या होता है, आपकी आवाज क्यों आती है इतनी ज्यादा? म्यूट करो, फिर उसे साइलेंट करो मैसेजेस को. ये बोलो इसका आंसर. एंगल 3 is 45. Can you find any other angle with its help? 2 is also 45. Why? Yes, 1 is 45. Why 1 is 45? Can you tell me the linear pair from this? Linear pair means the two angles which are forming a straight line. 4, 2 is forming a straight line. Then 3, 2, 4, 1. 4, 1 is forming a straight line. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are all linear pair. Angle 1 is 45 degree here. This is 45 by vertically opposite angle. How you will find any other angle? The same reason that you have just told, linear pair. 4 plus 1 is equal to 180, linear pair. I have written short form. Angle 1, angle 4 we have to find. Angle 1 is 45. So let's subtract this. This will give you 135. Angle 4 is 135. 4 we have got as 135. And 4 and 2 are vertically opposite angles. So 2 is also 135 by vertically opposite angle. Is it okay? So angle 1 and 3 are vertically opposite angle, 2 and 4 are vertically opposite angle, and 4 and 1 is forming linear pair. 3 and 2 is forming linear pair. 4 and 3, 1 and 2, they all are forming linear pair. Yes, can you tell me adjacent angle? Can you tell me adjacent angles? Write the pair of adjacent angle from this. Yes, Janvi. Beta, what we are talking about? We are talking about adjacent angle. 1 and 2, huh? Yes. Can you tell me more? Can you tell me any other pair? Yes, yes, 2 and? Yes, very good. One more. Yes, oh, one more. 4, 1. 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. 4, 1. They all are adjacent angle, and moreover, they all are forming linear pair because they are lying on a straight line. Is it okay? Is it okay? Now, I am constructing one more figure. You all will answer me the questions. This I have written, beta. Write adjacent angle pair. Then number 2, 3 linear pairs. Number 3, vertically opposite angle pairs. Hurry up. Answer these 3 questions. यस दृष्टि, यस यस गुड। वन मोर, वन लीनियर पेयर बताओ। पहले पहले आपने बोला एओसी सीओबी, यही बोला था ना? ठीक है, नेक्स्ट लीनियर पेयर का बोलो वन एग्जांपल। No, no, they are not linear pair. Linear pair means they are forming 180 degree on a straight line. It should form straight line, beta. Be careful. You know I AOD, हाँ जी। नो बेटा, स्ट्रेट लाइन देखो ना, स्ट्रेट लाइन। स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर देखो, स्ट्रेट लाइन के नीचे देखो, दो एंगल जो पूरे 180 बनाए। एओडी बोला आपने, डीओबी, एओडी डीओबी, दे आर मेकिंग स्ट्रेट लाइन ना। देन यस लक्ष्य, एडजेसेंट एंगल। बस 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 बस, वन वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल। ठीक है, ओके है, चलो म्यूट करो। अच्छा, जानवी ने हैंड लोअर कर लिया। आई थिंक द सेम आंसर लक्ष्य हैज गिवन। ओके, यस, टेल मी एडजेसेंट एंगल अनमोल। यस, जो पेयर आपने बोला, जो पेयर आपने बोला, इज इट लीनियर पेयर ऑल्सो? हाउ? यस यस, वेरी गुड। यस, गिव मी वन वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल पेयर। डीओबी एंड, yes yes, very good. Okay बच्चे, I am writing the answer, you please check your answer. Adjacent angle AOE EOC, EOC ये फर्स्ट पेयर है, EOC COB, COB BOD, BOD DOA, DOA AOE। ये तो मैंने थोड़े से लिखे हैं, ये तो मैंने सिर्फ 5 पेयर लिखे हैं, ऐसे और भी बहुत सारे आ सकते हैं। ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, आप सबसे छोटे छोटे वाले लिख देना, दैट विल बी इजी। लीनियर पेयर AOE, ये एंगल। अब इसको स्ट्रेट लाइन बनाने के लिए क्या चाहिए? EOB पूरा चाहिए। इसको पूरा करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? EOB। और भी हो सकता है AOC, यहां तक C से लेके B तक COB, ये भी लीनियर पेयर है। और AOD DOB, ये स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर और नीचे वाले दिए ना। अब ये भी तो स्ट्रेट लाइन है बेटा, ये भी, इसके इस साइड वाला ये भी तो 180 बन रहा है, बन रहा है कि नहीं? तो इसका नेम आएगा COB BOD। अब इस लाइन के इस तरफ भी तो है AOD DOC, ये देखो, इस लाइन के इधर भी तो एंगल बन रहे हैं ये वाले, इसमें से कोई भी दे सकते हो। DOA पे खत्म हुआ, AOC, DOA A पे फिनिश हुआ, AOC। और भी बन रहे हैं बेटे, और भी बन रहे हैं। वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल, वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल दो ही बन रहे हैं, एक है एओडी और बीओसी, और दूसरा ये देखो, अगर आपको ना समझ आए ना तो आप फिगर को ऐसे ड्रॉ कर लेना। ये देखो एओडी बीओसी और दूसरा एओसी डीओबी। अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी डाउट हो ना, then skip the extra line and you can check the pair. ठीक है, so they are forming vertically opposite angle.